Correspondents, DD India's Meghna Dev joins us from Gujarat and Jessica Taneja is joining us from Delhi. Coming to you, Meghna, first. At this point, what do we know about the casualties among the passengers of the ill-fated plane and among the people on the ground?
Yes, at the moment we get to know that one passenger had managed to jump off the flight as it crashed, and he was sitting on near the emergency exit. That's what we are getting to know at the moment. So miraculously one passenger has managed to survive, but obviously a number of people definitely did not clearly did not manage to survive this devastating accident, this devastating crash. But besides, very importantly, a meeting is underway. Home Minister Amit Shah is chairing a meeting wherein he is joined by the Civil Aviation Minister and also the Chief Minister of Gujarat and other senior authorities and other ministers of Gujarat, wherein he is taking stock of the situation. He did visit the crash site as well as the hospital, the civil hospital, wherein a number of people have been admitted, people who have been seriously injured. They are also availing treatment there. Besides, there's also been a DNA testing facility that has been set up. It is being said that the results of which will come out in the next 3 days. So a number of bodies which are completely charred and cannot be identified. So the DNA testing will help their relatives to identify the bodies. Extremely devastating and tragic incident that has happened. Having said that, currently we can expect that there can be a kind of we can say a statement that can come out from the state administration about the current situation, because at the site of the crash we can see that still because the building had also been very severely damaged, so there is a lot of debris that is there, so the removal is still going on, but a number of fire tenders have already left the spot, and a number of ambulances have also left the spot, because all people have been rescued from there. The people have been sent to the hospital in the ambulance.
Meghna, the plane's black box will be crucial in determining the cause of the crash. Do we know if it has been recovered so far?
Well, we know for the fact that aircraft accident investigation team has is on its way to Ahmedabad with senior officials as an investigation team. We haven't yet received any confirmation if the black box has been recovered. But we definitely get to know at the moment that the investigation team is on its way, and obviously further investigation would reveal the actual cause of this accident. But the people who did witness it from their terraces and from their buildings did clearly say that the aircraft could not climb to altitude, so clearly it couldn't, it just did crash a few meters from the perimeter of the airport. So clearly, this needs investigation to ascertain that why and how did this aircraft not manage to climb altitude, and what actually happened, because as we are getting to know that two experienced pilots were there, a pilot and a co-pilot, a pilot having over 8,200 hours of flying experience. So very crucial. The investigation is going to be extremely crucial, while obviously condolences have been pouring in from across the globe, from world leaders, from the UN Secretary General and many places about this tragic incident. Obviously the UK Prime Minister is also keeping a close eye on this, because over 50 British citizens have lost their lives in this tragic accident, and about 169 Indians, including other Portuguese and Canadian nationals.
Okay, let me also bring in Jessica Taneja on the story now. Jessica, the Ahmedabad-London Air India flight is one of Boeing's Dreamliner fleet. Boeing has been in recovery mode for more than 6 years now. Does this incident today in Ahmedabad bring forth more problems for Boeing's Dreamliner?
Well, it does, because there were questions raised 2 years ago as well on the make of the plane and the engineering. A lot of issues have been flagged, but the entire crash as many experts now believe, cannot be blamed entirely on the malfunction of Boeing planes, but of course there could be multiple errors that could have occurred, and given the fact that it could have been a bird strike, it could have been multiple engine failures, it will still all be made clear once the preliminary reports are out and we're able to ascertain as to what led to this crash, this fatal crash just few minutes from takeoff, and hitting that medical hostel of doctors who were given to understand in that building. And on the site, as Vekta was pointing out, there are reports suggesting of recovery of a lot of of the survivors, as well as people who died in this fatal crash. So we'll wait for those reports, but when it comes to understanding what could have led to this, everything right now, Tanvi, is pretty speculative. But yes, it cannot be discounted that Boeing does seem to have an issue with the make of its planes. Time and again, there have been issues, not just, this may be the first for the Dreamliner, but Boeing MAX, as we know, has faced multiple issues in the past and has also been grounded for many years. But I think that's something for the team that will be on the site to find out from what it gets from the flight recorder, and perhaps then ascertain as to what really led to this.
Okay, thank you Jessica and Meghna for giving us the latest on the story.